Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today in this video we are going to fix this display on and off fault, and you can see I just on the machine and it is on and off, and you can clearly hear the sound of relay. But in this case, most of time this relay is damaged or contact doesn't work if the sound is there, or sometimes it has no power supply and this 24 volt. But in this case I show you what is the problem. It is not always the relay is damaged. We already opened the cover for that machine, and you will just see I just turn on off the fan and the display is on. It means our fan is faulty. I will just replace with another fan. Now you just can see after disconnecting the fan, the display is on. I show you by connecting another fan. Here you can see I remove those lead and connect another lead, and the display still on and the fan is working and the display doesn't go off, and our welding machine is just fine. Hope you guys like my video. The same welding machines related videos and fault tracing like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.